Hey everyone, big news coming out of the European Union that's going to change the internet as we know it. The EU AI Act is officially rolling out, and one of its biggest rules is about transparency. Starting this year, and with a final deadline of August 2026, all deepfakes and AI-generated content must be clearly labeled. That means no more guessing if that image, video, or audio clip was made by a human or a machine. This is a massive step forward in the fight against misinformation and fake news. It protects all of us online. But for tech companies and creators using AI tools, it means there's a huge compliance challenge ahead. The era of trying to create undetectable AI content is legally over in the EU. If you're building or using AI, you need to start thinking about how to implement these digital watermarks right now. It's a global standard in the making. Thanks for watching, and be sure to follow for more updates.